Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another FMS logo extra lesson. If you've used my FMS logo training on the website, remember it is HLModTech.com, and you'll be able to find all these lessons, including the video where you learn how to go to the extras. And then once you have the extras installed on your computer, then you can explore them like this. Navigate to the folder where you have yours stored. In my classroom, I put them all in the ModTech folder, in the logo folder, and then it's called Lesson 18. In Lesson 18 right now, I'm going to show you the game called Domino. When you double click that folder, it takes you to the shortcut, and then the thing you've got to find is the toolbar. This shows up out of the way, and sometimes it can be confusing. So when you play dominoes, you need to find a piece that connects to the piece that has been delayed. So I can use either of the blanks. If you're really smart, you think ahead so that you can see what your next play is going to be. So I've got this 2 with a 6, and I've got a 1 with a 6. So I'm going to connect one of my 6s. Well, I wanted to connect it to this end, but it won't let me. So I'm going to go to the 4s, and I've got extra 2s, so I'm going to do the 4 and the 2. Now there's a 4 over here. Let's see if I can connect my 4. It looks like it's only letting me connect these ends. So my 2 connected fine. I've got a double 3. These are cool because it'll connect right over here, and it'll take away 2 pieces because I had a 3 and a 3. On this edge, do I have any 5s? Let's see. It let me do the 5 and the 1. So now let's do the 1 and the 6. It looks like I'm out of luck. You can click and it'll tell you no match. If it does that, then you need to hit draw. When you draw a new piece, you can check to play it. I still have none. He already played, so I'm going to hit draw again. This time I got the double 6, which is cool. He put a 2 over here. Can I play anywhere? No, but you can see you can play all the way through. If you hit help, it just gives you a little bit. Right click to go clockwise. Ooh, I was messing that up. So I could have right clicked to go over here. I left clicked. Fine. Can't play on any of these, so I have to draw. And the object is to be all out of your tiles. You can see that the opponent has 2. I've got many. I'm going to hit draw again. Now I got a right click to play on the other side. I've got a blank, so I can right click to play over there. Right click. Right click. Right click. Player 2 wins. I got beat by 1 piece. So my friends, you can see this is a working game of dominoes where you play against the computer. Pretty darn slick. Make sure you remember that right click. I had messed that up. You could hit new game. It says, do you want to double check? And you can move through and just have a blast. It also has a sweet exit button, so when you're done, you can quit. One other amazing part of this code is they allow it to stay open, so you can actually look through the code by clicking the Add All button and see how it was all built. You can see this is the window domino where we use the window create command and actually learn some of this about building our own amazing game. So friends, if you found this useful, please hit that like button. Got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.